This is Joe from RealSuccess, and today we're going to talk about the importance of the all-cash rental plan as a real estate investment strategy. The all-cash rental plan is similar to the rental debt snowball plan because it snowballs rental income for growth. But instead of using mortgages, you just save up cash and buy a rental property without any debt. A lot of us advocate to this type of investment. It would be tough to get started with all cash investments in a high price market, but in many areas, it's still a great plan. Some of the benefits are, number one, no interest payments. Buying a rental property with cash means that you avoid paying interest payments. Number two, 100% equity. Number three, more negotiation power. Number four, immediate cash flow. And number five, lower risk. Some of the disadvantages are, number one, lower cash on cash return. Number two, no tax benefits. Number three, less buying power. Thanks for watching our short video section, and I hope this brought value to your investment career. These are the basics of all cash rental plan. And if you want to learn the ins and outs, click on the link below. This is my website where we educate people how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. I'm here for you. We're in this journey called life together. Let's enjoy every moment and do what we truly love, whatever that is. And let's create real success for everyone.